anytime you need me, you know that I'm always gonna be here. Whether to sing in your concert or just even to talk to me about anything and everything. I will always be here.
It's so lovely to have the privilege to just share so many with you. Thank you so much.
It is an honor for me to be in your 15th year anniversary. Like I said, I think you are an amazing singer. You have so many talents. Grabe, you write songs, you play so many instruments, and not only that, you can act. You know, that's a magandang combination yun eh, diba? Oh, maarte lang.
Wala akong Miss Reg. Tingnan mo naman yung aking
si Susan at si Amal na nag-retro. Hello!
Thank you, Miss Reg, and thank you. I actually wanted to also remind everybody of Bisaya man si Miss Reg.
Bisaya man, good po. Uy!
Good po.
Salamat kaayo kay, ano ba yan? Pinakanta mo ako doon sa Ihila. It's one of my favorite songs of hers. My favorite talaga na namalat ka nakakakanta kasi pajulit-julit ko pinapatugtog. Yung, ano nga yung kanta mo? Yung, which one? Ang dami ni Strange.
Ano na? Do you have any papers?
Hindi, yung kinanta natin dati.
Ay, yung ano?
Oo, yun.
Laging ka na lang.
Oo, namalat ka din, te. Namalat ka. Sa pajulit-julit ko talaga pinapaganda. I love that song.
Me too.
And not only because it was such a great song, I think I loved it because I loved the way you sang it. It was very sincere, and the ad-libs and the end. Yung saktong-sakto lang, yung hindi ka nagyayabang na kaya ko to, no? Hindi, parang, eto yun.
Shout out ko na rin po si Kuya Kiko Salazar, of course.
Yes, I think it's such a beautiful song and you sang it really, really well. I just want to say thank you for inviting me here. And yun nga, I just wanted to greet you happy anniversary. And I hope that you continue this journey. Madami ka pang mararating, marami ka pang may experience, mas gagaling ka pa. Yes, so, and I'm also very happy that your parents are here. Asa man sila? Asa man? Oo ka na. Oo na. Di ay sila. Oy. Hello, oy. Hello.
Actually, beside to si Miss Reg, sobrang nag-check up on me during that. Mari, okay ka na. Lalo na pag may mga nababasa si Miss Reg, like, Mari, nandito lang ako.
No, because I can relate. You know, and I also wanted to not just be a friend on stage, but also be involved, hopefully, in your lives. Yung mga kabataan ngayon, kasi syempre parang gusto kong maging tenga, maging boses ninyo, na gusto ko lang malaman ninyo na I really am just here. And I may not always be there, yung parang alam mo yung mga nakakadiring friend. Yung mga nakaganon, yung nakadikit sa'yo lagi. hindi ako ganong klaseng friend, but anytime you would need me for anything and everything, I will be here.
Thank you, Mr. Everybody, once again, Ms. Regine Velasquez, I've got the one and only summer! Ms. Reg.
Troy! Hi, Troy!
Ms. Reg, syempre di pwedeng isang kanta lang.
Abangan niyo yung dance number.
Ms. Reg, would you do me the honor to sing this very special song with you?
Yes!
But before we get into it, I also just want to share na sobrang special po itong song na to for me specifically, because I'm not sure if you remember, but I think the very first time that we shared the room together, it was a gala eh. And you were seated as a guest and I performed, and it was this song. I'm not sure if you remember it. Yung ganun yung buhok ko. And so, it would be an honor, Ms. Reg, to sing this song with you and for everybody.
Yes, it would be my pleasure.
Thank you so much. The one and only Regine! If you guys allow me this time to iharana natin yung mga online netizens natin. Ako na po ang nag-live stream para sa inyo. Okay! my Taylor Swift moment. Uy, nasa Smart Arena ito ko yung tayo. Smart yung signal namin. I didn't.